Hey developers, if you've ever worked extensively with Visual Studio solutions, you've likely encountered the ubiquitous .sln files. But have you wondered about the emerging .slnx files? Today, we're going to thoroughly compare these two solution formats, diving into their structures, key differences, pros and cons, and providing clear guidance on when to use each one to optimize your development workflow. The .sln file is the classic solution file format in Visual Studio, a plain text-based file that's been the standard since the early versions of Versus. It serves as a container that maintains references between projects, build configurations, mappings, and other settings, defining precisely how the solution is structured and which projects are involved in the build process. In its structure, the .sln file includes key sections like pre-solution, project, and post-solution, with the project sections detailing each project's GUID, type, and file path, while the global section manages configurations, build orders, and nested project hierarchies. The environment reads this to load name value parameters and populate the Solution Explorer. Pros include its simplicity and wide compatibility with older Visual Studio versions. However, cons are notable. Less extensibility for custom needs, Visual Studio specific quirks, potential for becoming large and bloated with redundant data, difficulty in manual editing, and proneness to merge conflicts in version control systems due to GUIDs and non-standard structure. In contrast, the .slnx format is a newer, fully XML-based solution file format that's native to MS Build, introduced specifically to overcome the limitations of .sln. It provides superior extensibility through its structured XML schema, making it more future-proof, particularly for CI/CD pipelines, automation scripts, and non-Visual Studio tools like the .NET CLI. Key advantages include improved readability for developers, greater flexibility in customization, significantly fewer merge conflicts in version control, and faster loading times even for very large solutions, with full support from MS Build. Key differences stand out clearly. .sln employs a compact but rigid proprietary text format, while .slnx uses a verbose but highly customizable XML-based structure. Extensibility is low for .sln compared to high for .slnx. Compatibility favors SLN's broad support across the S versions, but .slnx excels with modern tools and automation. Additionally, .sln suffers from difficult readability and high merge conflicts, whereas .slnx offers easier readability and lower conflict risks. Use .sln for legacy projects or simple setups where maximum compatibility is essential. Choose .slnx for new projects requiring extensibility, better CI/CD integration, or MS Build automation. Note that .slnx requires Visual Studio 2022 version 17.13 or higher. For migration, in Visual Studio, select File, Save Solution As, and pick .slnx, or use the .NET CLI with .NET SLN Migrate. Always check the official Visual Studio documentation for detailed steps, and avoid committing both .sln and .slnx files to the same repository to prevent confusion. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more developer tips.